Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have lines K, L, and M all intersecting at one point, and we're told if x plus y is equal to u plus w, which of the following of these three statements must be true? Before we do anything, we should set our vertical angles equal to each other. So vertical angles are the angles formed by two lines intersecting at a point, and they are the opposite angles of those lines. So we have M and L intersecting each other, and then W and Z are formed as vertical angles from that. So therefore W is equal to Z. K and L in the same way split U and Y, therefore Y is equal to U. And finally, K and M make X and T, therefore X is equal to T. And this is going to help us in conjunction with this to come to our conclusions. So if we know that x plus y is equal to u plus w, and y is equal to u, if we plug in u for y, we get x plus u equals u plus w. Subtracting u on both sides, these all cancel out and we get x is equal to w. From this information, since x is equal to t is equal to x is equal to w, and w is equal to z, therefore t is equal to x is equal to w is equal to z. And from this, we have two conclusions. We have x is equal to z, and z is equal to t. So therefore, 1 and 3 are both true. There's no way for us to prove 2, so that means that it's 1 and 3 only, which lines up with answer B. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.